Welcome to this guided mindfulness, 3-step breathing space meditation for beginners. 1. Acknowledging. Bring yourself into the present moment by deliberately adopting a dignified posture. Then ask, what's going on with me at this moment? What thoughts, feelings and body sensations am I experiencing right now? You could put your inner experience into words. For example, say in your mind, a feeling of anger is arising, or self-critical thoughts are here, or my stomach is clenched and tense. Two. Gathering. Gently bring your full attention to your breathing. Experience fully each in-breath and each out-breath as they follow one after the other. It may help to note at the back of your mind, breathing in, breathing out, or to count your breaths. Let your breath function as an anchor to bring you into the present and to help you tune into a state of awareness and stillness. Three. Expanding. Expand your awareness around your breathing to your whole body and the space it takes up, as if your whole body is breathing. Especially take your breath to any discomfort, tension, or resistance you experience, breathing into the sensations. While breathing out, allow a sense of softening, opening, letting go. You can also say to yourself, it's okay to feel whatever I'm feeling. Include a sense of the space around you too. Hold everything in awareness. As best you can, bring your expanded awareness into the next moments of your day. You might like to start using the 3-step breathing space in moments of stress in your life, when you are troubled in thoughts or feelings. You can use it to escape your automatic pilot mode, to reconnect with the present moment and your own inner wisdom.